Hi, this is Lou from YAstrength, and I always talk about how intermittent fasting is not just for weight loss, or that there are many other benefits outside of weight loss that you can get from intermittent fasting. And this is because most people know that intermittent fasting is a great tool for weight loss or fat burning without having to constantly count your calories like you do with a traditional calorie restricted diet, such as low carb or something else. So in this video, I'm going to provide you with a list of health benefits that you get from intermittent fasting outside of weight loss. And many of these benefits that I'm about to tell you are much more important than just losing weight. And I consider these to be the key benefits of intermittent fasting. So keep watching this video and I'll explain. The first key benefit that I'll discuss is brain health. Studies have found that intermittent fasting can increase proteins within the brain. More specifically, an increased production in BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is a gene that serves as a neurotransmitter, and it helps with neuronal plasticity, aka brain plasticity. And more plasticity equals more neural networks in the brain to facilitate growth of new nerve cells and reorganization. This is very important and essential for learning and memory. Plus, studies also show that this can help protect against Alzheimer's. There's also heart health. There was a study published on pub.med.gov that looked at short-term fasting or intermittent fasting and CAD, or coronary artery disease. All links are posted in the description box below. They found that intermittent fasting was effective in reducing multiple indicators or traditional risk factors for heart disease. This includes a reduction in LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol that causes plaque buildup in your arteries, the reduction of blood triglycerides, which is the type of fat that is found in your blood, and too much of that fat can increase the risk of stroke or heart attack. And last, a reduction in blood sugar and other inflammatory markers in the body, plus insulin resistance, which are all risk factors for heart disease. Next is insulin. Now, I've talked about how IF or intermittent fasting can reduce insulin in multiple videos. But not only can it help reduce insulin levels by as much as 30%, as noted in multiple case studies that are all across the web, which by default helps protect against type 2 diabetes, it also helps to lower blood sugar levels or glucose. And the quicker your body's insulin stops triggering your body to use glucose for energy, the quicker your body can switch to using fat as energy. And that, of course, helps with overall body composition. Studies also show that intermittent fasting can help you live longer. Researchers from the NIH National Institute of Aging looked at mice and split them into 3 feeding regimens. Group 1 had access to food all day. Group 2 was a calorie restricted group that ate 30% less food than the all-day group. And group 3 was the intermittent fasting group that ate just as much as the calorie restricted group, aka 30% less than the standard group. But the difference is that the intermittent fasting group were restricted to eating within a certain window. They found that the mice that did intermittent fasting had increased lifespans as compared to the other mice that ate regularly and the other group that had a calorie restriction. And some studies even show that fasted mice can live up to 80% longer and healthier lives. Reduced inflammation is another benefit that you get from intermittent fasting. And here's why that's important. Yes, inflammation is good when it fights off foreign objects within the body, heals wounds or injuries, and clears out unwanted infections. But there's also bad inflammation. Bad inflammation can cause various health problems such as asthma, arthritis, cancer, diabetes, and more. Researchers found that fasting not only reduces inflammation and chronic diseases, but it does that without affecting your body's immune system response to fighting off infections. In other words, intermittent fasting can help reduce the bad inflammation that can be found within your body without reducing or impacting the good inflammation that's found within your body. And there you have it. Next time we think about intermittent fasting, now you know about 5 additional benefits that you can get from doing it aside from weight loss or losing weight. It's about becoming healthier overall. And that's what intermittent fasting can really help out with. Be sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts or note other benefits that you can get from intermittent fasting so others can see. As always, thank you for watching. This is Lou from YAstrength. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.